One of the main challenges at any organization is determining how to best allocate precious resources to bring about the types of change required to not only manage through the crises of today, but to be successful tomorrow. New technologies such as big data, Internet of Things, Industry 4.0 and every application collect and analysis data to improve efficiency. Riotec majored in auto-identification image-based barcode scanner for different vertical industry and solutions such as warehouse automation, automated storage retrieval system, robot, drone and production conveyor line in Industry 4.0. Retail, restaurant, healthcare, transportation and logistics, airport passport check-in, ticket machine etc. Every industry need to use barcode or QR code to check information or to avoid human error. Riotec have the different barcode scanner and scan engine could be choose. Barcode scanner is not a big device but it's critical device to collect data in the first stage of every industry for data analysis. Welcome to contact Riotec to get more information to know how to integrate barcode scanner into your system or application.